homeowners or business establishments is very critical in their businesses and as well as in their respective houses. We espouse that you continue to strictly implement the code, fire code, but please continue to inspect randomly all existing establishments or any of those who are being issued by occupancy permit. We encounter some of the issues when the start of renewals of business establishments and houses. And there are still some stitches to resolve. Meron pa so, always up with presumption of regularity.